Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to create multiple levels of vertical menus with nested submenu and LWC component. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn how to create multiple level of vertical menus with nested submenu and LWC component. So follow these steps to achieve this scenario. To achieve this scenario, we need to follow three type of steps. Step number one, step number two, and step number three. So friends, here you can see in the step number one, first I created a custom app. This is my custom app. Then move on the step number two. In the step number two, this is a gear icon. Once click on the gear icon, you will be get edit page. Once edit the page, you will be move on the step number three. So in the step number three, I will be call my LWC component. So friends, here you can see in the LWC component, I created vertical menu with nested sub menu in LWC. So here you can see I created two level of the vertical menu. This is a Salesforce Aura component. This is a main menu of the vertical menu. This is a Salesforce LWC. This is a main menu of vertical menu. So inside the vertical menu, I created nested sub menu. Here you can see this is a main menu of the vertical. Inside the main menu, I created Aura component to do. This is a nested. So this is a main. Inside the menu, I created sub menu. Inside the sub menu, I created another one sub menu. This is also another one sub menu. So here you can see this is a hierarchy of the nested sub menu. Once click on the arrow, it will collapse and expand. So each and every sub menu here is a arrow. So based on this arrow button, I will be click and expand and collapse the sub menus. So here I created multi-level of the nested vertical menu in LWC component. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where will we see live demo scenario how to create multi-level of the vertical menu with some menu in LWC component. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce potential org. Here I open my LWC component. Component name is a multi-level menu LWC HTML. So this LWC component I open into the Lightning Studio. So this is a Lightning Studio where I open my LWC component. This is a LWC component. This is a component JavaScript file. This is a component meta XML file, and this is a style CSS file. So friends, in the LWC HTML file, first I created a lightning card. Inside the lightning card, I created a div. Inside the div, I pass a style CSS class that is a SLDS p around medium. This class will be give a space inside the container of div. Inside the div, I created a h3. This is the title of the page. Here you can see first I created a lightning icon before title. Then I pass the title. So this is the title of the page. The name of the title is create custom multiple level of selected menu with nested sub menu item in LWC. So here you can see selected menu with nested sub menu item. I wrap inside the span and pass a style color name. So this text will be displayed as a red color. So that I wrap in the span. After the title, I created a div. Inside the div, I created another one div. And here you can see inside the div, I am using lightning tree. This is a element to create a menus and sub menu in LWC component. So friends, we are using lightning tree. This element provided by the Salesforce. So by help of the lightning tree element, we will be creating menu and sub menu in LWC component. So it will be create nested menu as a vertical in LWC component. So friends, here I am using lightning tree element tag to create a nested vertical menu in LWC component. So friends, if you creating a lightning tree vertical menu as a sub menu in LWC component, you need to pass some attribute property. So friends, here you can see in the lightning tree elements, I pass some attributes property. This is the items and this is the header. So in the item equal to pass the bracket, and here you can see I am passing a variable. So variable that is coming from the JavaScript. So this item variable I declare in the JavaScript file. and data will be coming dynamically through the LWC component JavaScript. And this is a header that means it is a title of the menu. So header I am passing w3web.net. This is my personal blog. You can learn step by step LWC from beginning to advanced level. This is my blog that is a w3web.net. Here I am mentioning as a title in the lightning tree, and this is a close element tag. So friends, this is a lightning tree element tag. I am creating a menu with sub menu in LWC component. So friends, now let me move on the LWC component JavaScript file. This is a component JavaScript file. So friends, here you can see in the export method, first I created a variable. This is the item. This variable I passing in the component here in the item. So this variable I am passing to the LWC component into the item here. So one by one, all of the menu and nested submenu will be displayed inside the lightning tree. So friends, here you can see this variable I created as an array, and inside the array I pass as a JSON format. So friends, JSON format exists key and value. So here you can see inside the array I created a object type, and this is a JSON format of data label, and this is a label value. This is a name. This is a name value. This is a expand. This is a boolean value. I am passing true. So in this object, basically I am passing three type of key and value. This is a key, this is a value, this is a key and this is a value, this is a key and this is a value, and it is a item. So here you can see I started another one item, and the formatted are same. In this item also created a array type, and inside the array type I created a JSON type value. So friends, here you can see inside the array I created a JSON type object, and here I'm passing the key and value. So formatted are same. So all of the item formatted are same. All of the item basically I am passing label, name, and expand. So this is a main menu. This is a sub menu. This is a another one sub menu item. And here also I'm creating a array, and this is the JSON type object. And here I'm passing the label, name, expand. This is the key and value. So friends, here you can see structure are same for all of the nested sub menu. Item, this is another one item, this is another one item. So all of the item created for the menu and sub menu to display the vertical navigation bar in LWC component. So friends, here you can see all of the JSON object structure are same, value are different. In the structure, all of the item I am using label, name, and expand, and each and every item's array JSON I am passing same type of the key, but value I am passing different. So value I am passing different because each and every vertical menu level will be different. And here you can see expanded true. That means it will be collapse and expand after click the menus. And here you can see this is also items, and this is a array. Inside the array I created a JSON. This is a label and this is a name. So friends, we are using array JSON object and passing label, name, key property, and each and every label value are different, but structure are same. Here you can see each and every items labels structure are same. First, I created an array, then created a JSON type object. Inside JSON type object, I am passing some property, label, name, expand. Expanded always some expanded are false. That means by default it will be collapsed. But if you using true, then it will be by default it will be expand. If you passing true, that means by default it will be expanded. If you passing false, that means by default it will be collapsible. So it is not display open, but first menu display all open. So here you can see in the LWC component, there are two type of the vertical menu. And both of the vertical menu, I created a multiple level of the nested sub menu. So in the first level of the menu, all of the nested sub menu I am opening because I am passing expanded equal to true. But for the second level of the nested menu, I am passing false. So that by default it will be not display expanded, it will be displayed as a collapse. Whenever click on the button arrow, then it will be expanded. By default it will be collapsible. So structure are same. Here you can see here I also using items, then using a array type. In the array type I created a JSON type object, and here I am passing the key and value. So friends, here you can see I am passing similar type the label name and expanded key value, key property and value are different. Values are different because label will be different each and every menu and sub menu. But click on the button of the arrow, the menu will be expanded. But click on again the arrow button, menu will be collapsed. So friends, here we are displaying multi-level of menu with some menu in LWC component using the lightning tree in the LWC component. So here I am using lightning tree, then I am using item. In the item, I am passing the array type JSON object, and here I am passing header. So this is a header will be displayed before the menu, and this is a JavaScript file. So friends, now let me move on the meta.xml file. In the meta.xml file, I am using targets and targets. So this LWC component display on the app page, record page and home page. Now let me move on the style CSS file. So in the style CSS file, I added two class name. This is a BG. Here you can see this class name I added in the LWC component. This is a class name that is added in the style CSS. And friends, here you can see in the style CSS, I am using the property background color and border. This classes I apply inside the LWC HTML here. So this class is for the background color and border color of the vertical menu. So friends, now let me move on the Salesforce or where we will be call my LWC component to display lightning tree. So this is my Salesforce or first go to the gear icon and edit the page. Here I will call my LWC component. So my component name is multiple level menu LWC. Here I am searching my LWC component multiple level menu. This is my LWC component multiple level menu LWC component. Simply select and drag and drop here. Then save the page and go back. So friends, here you can see my LWC component display into the Lightning app. This is the title of the page. This is the title of the menus. And here you can see there are two type of the vertical menu. This is the first one. This is the second one. First vertical menu is the Salesforce Aura component, and second vertical menu is Salesforce LWC. By default, all of the vertical sub menu open because in the JavaScript file I mentioned expand equal to true. But for the second level of the vertical menu, I passing false. So here you can see for the second all of the vertical menu collapse mode, but first one is display expanded. So friends, you can see this is a main menu, this is a sub menu, this is a sub to sub menu. So friends, you can see each and every menu has a arrow button. Once click on the arrow button, it will be expand and collapsed. So friends, here you can see I created multi-level of vertical menu with sub menu in LWC component. Once I click on the arrow button, it will be collapsed. Once again I click on the arrow button, it will be collapsed. So here you can see here I display multi-level of the menu with sub menu, and this is another one menu bar. So once I click on the arrow button, it will be expand. So friends, here you can see I created multi-level of menu with sub menu in LWC component. That is called nested vertical menu in LWC. So here I created using of the lightning tree element menu with nested sub menu in LWC component. Friends, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be send you bonus gift as two ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the sales force. First ebook are Master of X Trigger and second ebook are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the Apex Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the Apex Trigger, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the sales force. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.